So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I got for Christmas 2024. I do this every single Christmas ever since I started YouTube, and you guys always seem to love this video. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is... Also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so before I get into the haul, I first want to start off by saying I'm not bragging in any way. I see this before all of my Christmas hauls, and you guys know you've been seeing hauls all throughout YouTube, TikTok, etc. I just want to put that out there that I love showing all the gifts I got. I'm very, very thankful for everything I received from my family, friends, Santa Claus, etc. I also want to apologize if I'm whispering. I'm filming this literally at like 3 a.m. a day or two after Christmas because I really want to get this video up for you guys, and it's the only time in my house where everyone is quiet. The first gift I'm going to show is what I got from my mom. This is my big gift I asked for this year. It's a Kate Spade bag. It's so beautiful. This is like the color I wanted exactly and everything, so super thankful for this. The next big gift I got is from my mom. This is a new pink gaming chair. It's cat themed and it's like way more upgraded than my other one. It has this really cool like backrest I can stretch out and even a leg rest. Next up for my mom and Santa, I got this Little Bo Peep lamp. I love Little Bo Peep. Then I got this 2-pack of these Monster High dolls. I absolutely love Monster High. Same thing, I got Glinda. I absolutely love the Wicked movie. And then I asked for these jelly blocks to do like an ASMR videos, and they have like slime and stuff inside of them, so they're super cool. I got a mini verse Christmas kit. I got this snowman stress ball, some slime. I got a Hello Kitty stress ball, which is super cool. It's the 50th anniversary, and then some Monster High dolls that are super tiny. Next up, my mom got me a lot of Hello Kitty items. So she got me this Hello Kitty like wall clock. I'm so excited to put this up in my room. Then she got me this Hello Kitty vacuum, the Hello Kitty 50th anniversary stuffed animal. Same with these bed sheets and a super cute blanket. It's so soft. But on the theme of blankets and stuff, she also got me this really cute like oversized hoodie and then a new comforter for my bed. Lastly, for my mom and Santa, I got a new planner, which I love this brand so much. I got some new face masks, which these ones are so hydrating. I really recommend them. Some makeup products. Oh my god, I love beauty creation. So she got me these lip plumpers, some new makeup brushes, this super cute bag, markers. I was really surprised about this. She got me a new Stanley, which is super cute. Then she got me Monopoly Wicked. I had no idea she was getting me this. And then a bunch of books from Taylor Swift to Trisha Paytas, which I love Trisha Paytas. And then more Taylor Swift stuff, and she also of course got me candy, which I forgot to show, but you know, we love some candy. Now on to my siblings. My brother Colby got me this Taylor Swift book, and it has all her fashion styles and stuff in it. And then my sister Alexa, she got me some silver earrings. I love silver, so very excited about that. And then this gold necklace with my birthstone on it. And for my twin sister Sarah, she got me this makeup headband, some lip gloss. These are like clips to push your hair back while doing makeup. And then these little Stanley like toppers, which I'm super excited to put on my Stanley. And for my brother Josh, he just got me from some drinks and stuff, so that was super nice. Now on to some of my friends. My friend Alex got me 2 of the Wicked dolls. She got me Elphaba, and then she also got me Nessa Rose, and then she got me this super cute Hello Kitty cup. I love the bling on it. Then for my friend Sierra, she got me this ramen slime kit, some nails, a bubble tea mask, a super cute Barbie cup, my favorite like candy, which is these trolley gummy eggs, the super cute squishy My Melody, and then look how cute these little like mochi squishies are. They're all like Hello Kitty themed. Now for some more friends, my friend Serena got me this scrub, this Elvis Presley perfume. It smells so good. This really cute margarita glass, this super cute candle. I love the bows on it. This makeup headband, this really pretty makeup palette. I love the colors in here. It's actually so pretty. And then this lip balm. And then for my friend Michaela, she got me this super soft blanket, these chocolates, and then this super cute candle that actually lights up, which is super cool. And then now on to Braxton. He knows I love Hello Kitty, so he got me a Hello Kitty sheet mask, hand cream, and then this super cute makeup headband. Now on to my boyfriend. Our anniversary and Christmas are literally days apart. So for our anniversary, he got me this funny duck banana stuffy, the perfume I've been asking for. It's the Sol de Janeiro one. It smells so good. This cute little stuffed animal. Then he wrote me a super nice note. Now for his Christmas gift to me, he got me this Chappell Roan vinyl. I love Chappell Roan. I saw her live this year at Boston Calling, so I was super excited about this. And then he got me this really cute squishy, these crochet little animals, but these aren't the cutest things ever. I can't. He got me a bunch of mini verses, which is so nice. I love making these, and I opened one of them and it's super cute. He got me this Hello Kitty dish, some blind bags like LPS, Barbie, a kitty stress ball, some like chocolate, and some candies too, actually. He got me a lot of candies. I forgot to add this, but so many candies. He knows me so well because I absolutely love Jolly Ranchers. And then lastly, he got me these super soft pajama pants. Lastly, we did Secret Santa with my whole family so we could cut down on buying so many gifts for everyone. So I got my cousin Riley, and she got me this tree hut pack with, like, you know, scrubs and stuff, and then a Summer Fridays lip balm. This is so good. I immediately bought a few more of these just because they're so hydrating. Then from some family members, my Bobo got me a gift card. My cousin Jake got me a gift card as well. And then my boyfriend's grandma gave me some cash. And then same with his parents. They got me really nice gifts. I forgot to bring it home, but it's just like soaps and some blind bags, which is so nice. I also forgot to add, my boyfriend learned how to like make like these paper things. So they're like all over my room. I don't even know how they got there, but it's super cute. But that's everything I got for Christmas. My room is now an absolute mess. I can't even. It's so crazy right now. But I'm so beyond thankful for everything I got. If you got me a gift or, you know, sent me a card or anything, it really means the world to me. So thank you so much. You didn't have to. I feel like every single Christmas I'm like, oh my gosh, like I got so many things. I feel so bad. But I just have really good friends and family members who know me so well. Like, they know me. I like Hello Kitty and dolls and stuff. So it's super sweet to see how they think of me and the gifts they bought for me. But yeah, I hope you all had a Merry Christmas, and I hope you have a Happy New Year. I'm so excited to go into the new year with some new videos to post for you guys. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this Christmas haul. Please put in the comments down below what you got for Christmas, what's your favorite thing, and what's your favorite thing I got for Christmas from my entire haul. Mine has to be either the Chapel Roan vinyl, my new Kate Spade bag, or just, you know, my Monster High doll. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. Bye guys. Love you so much, and peace. And remember, thumbs up for new videos. Bye guys.